Hello and welcome to my video presentation. Today I'll be presenting my final summative POE for programming, and I'll be explaining the four key features that I've added to my updated cybersecurity chatbot. The first feature that I added was the task assistant with built-in reminders, which is a built-in tool designed into the chatbot, which is used to help users to recognize and manage any cybersecurity-based task. Users can type in a certain or simple command like add a task to enable two-factor authorization or remind me to update my password, and the chatbot will understand their intent, and behind the scenes the task will be stored and the user will then be prompted to set a reminder which they can type in, for example, 2 days or tomorrow or 3 days and so forth. Um, Once the time has arrived, the chatbot will automatically notify the user when the app is ready to launch again. This feature, which helps people keep track about their tasks, which also enforces good cybersecurity habits in everyday life. The second task which was added to my chatbot was a cybersecurity mini game, which is a fun, interactive, and educational quiz game. The user can initialize it by either typing start quiz or with any word that has the word quiz in it. From there, the chatbot will present a series of multiple choice and true and false questions covering a whole bunch of topics such as phishing, strong passwords, and safe internet browsing. After each question, the user will receive instant feedback and an explanation about their answer. This enforces understanding and helps correct any misunderstanding with cybersecurity topics. At the end, the chatbot provides a score and a small encouragement of words based on the user's performance. The third task which was added was the natural language processing simulation, which is basically the brains of the chatbot. This enables the system to understand and interpret what the user is saying, whether they're if they're curious, such as I want to know more about phishing, I want to know more about passwords, or they can express frustration, such as I keep getting annoyed with constant spam, or how do I protect myself. The chatbot will recognize these words and respond based on what the feedback is. It can also detect like words like add task, delete task, start quiz, or even words like what have you done for me recently, which will display all the activities. Um, Basically, this allows the chatbot to feel more natural to talk to, um, and not only respond to only certain types of words. It can respond to many types of words and sentences. And finally, the fourth feature that I added was an activity log feature, which helps the user to track their engagement with the chatbot. At any point, they can ask, what have you done for me? Or show me the recent activity logs, and the chatbot will display a summary of the recent activities, such as complete tasks, quiz attempts, or any reminders that was set by the user. Obviously, this helps users reflect on their conversations with the chatbot, and it adds a bit of a intelligent feeling to the chatbot because it makes it seem like the chatbot remembers what the user has said before. Okay, now it's time to run the chatbot.
Hello. Welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness Bot. I'm here to help you stay safe online.
And okay, so we first enter our name. So let's call myself PG.
Hi, PG. I'm here to help you stay safe online.
It will ask you what are your favorite topics, just like in part 2 that I have added. It is now generating it gave the cybersecurity tip of the day.
Here are some things you can ask about. Try a cybersecurity topic, manage tasks, set reminders, start a quiz, or check recent actions.
Okay, so we can start off by saying like passwords, just to show you the basic like commands you can do with the chatbot first.
No worries if your current passwords aren't perfect. You can start improving them one step at a time. Every bit of effort adds up to better security. Since you're interested in password, remember to stay updated on the latest best practices.
Okay, so let's just do one more. You can say protect myself from online attacks.
Safe browsing, keep antivirus software updated, avoid suspicious links, and look for secure websites.
Okay, so we can start off by adding a task. So let's just say we want to add a task. Let's say add task update password.
Task added, update passwords. Would you like to set a reminder?
And then so set a reminder. Let's just say 3 days. Okay, let's just say 2 days. And there you go. It sets
Reminder
the
set for update passwords at 06-29-2025 1350.
There you go. So it has set the password for 2 days later at this time from recording the video, which is currently 10 to 2. Okay, so if you want to view the task, we can say view tasks.
Here are your tasks. Use delete task or complete task to manage them.
Okay, so we can delete a task or we can complete the task. So I have already added one previously, so let's just say complete task 1.
Task check my passwords marked as completed.
And let's just say we want to delete the one that we created, so we can go like this, delete task that is 2.
Task update passwords deleted.
And we go view tasks. And there you go.
Here are your tasks. Use delete task or complete task to manage them.
And there you go. As you can see, it's only showing the one task and it says that we completed it. We can also say like remind me Okay, not let's just see the proper command for it. Okay, so we can type this out. So remind me to update my password tomorrow.
Reminder set for to update my password at 06-28-2025 12 o'clock.
There you go. It sets it for tomorrow at this time, or at 12 o'clock, which is pretty awesome. We can start the quiz now, I guess. So any words with the quiz in it starts the game, so you can just say start the quiz.
Question 1. What should you do if you receive an email asking for your password?
So what I'll do is, just for my video limitations, I'm going to skip to the end part of the video. Okay, so if you report it, so just to show you how it works, it does it like this here.
Correct. Reporting phishing emails helps prevent scams and protects others from falling victim.
Due to time constraints, I will shorten this part
Question
down.
2. A strong password should be at least how many characters long?
Let's see.
Correct. A password of at least 12 characters, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, is considered strong. Question 3. Is it safe to use the same password across multiple accounts?
So you can type in false. There you go.
Correct. Using the same password across multiple accounts increases the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one is hacked. Quiz completed. Your score, 8 out of 10. Great job. You're a cybersecurity pro.
And there you go. So I completed the quiz. As you can see, I did get some answers wrong, just to show you that it says incorrect. It then tells you the correct answer. Obviously, I got answer 2 wrong, and it gave me 8 out of 10. And it said there, and it displays a little encouragement of words saying you did a good job. And the final thing I want to show y'all today is the activity logs. So you can say, what have you done for me? And it'll give you a summary of all this, of all our interactions with the chatbot today. And there you
Here
go.
are your recent actions.
And there you go. It only displays 5 at a time. So the 5 most recent activities that you have did. And yeah, the NLP works perfectly fine, as I can type in all different types of commands. So you can type in types of attacks.
Trojan horse is malicious software disguised as a normal file or app, which can secretly damage or control your system.
So that's it for my video presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and have a good day.